Lean on the weekend, baby. I'm getting drunk as shit.
You got BO8 and you better get with me. This shit here.
You riding? See if it turns on, and it runs to this switch panel right here in the front. So this is the light bar. So this light bar runs down through here, all the way down, and it comes out here. And I don't know if you can see these wires right here is my light bar wires. We're gonna have to switch these out with just spare wire once we get there, because it goes into that fuse box underneath the seat, and once we get to that point, we'll figure out which one's which one's negative, which one's positive, and we'll try to see if we can get it turned on. Here's the fuse box. We're going to put it into one of these 20 amps because it's a 38-inch light bar from what I measured, and it's a single row. So we'll get that going, see what we can do. Nice little setup video. running underneath the steering column there and into that little hole. And that's where we're through. Figured out, I guess, which one's the positive and the negative, or if it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. I honestly don't know on that, but it's all kind of rigged up just to get it going. Hey, buddy, high five. Good job, fist bump. Yeah, you did such a good job. Such a good job. There we go. Now I just got to seal it all back up, and we'll be done. Yeah, go get your chickens. I'm going to turn everything off before I start doing this again. Dummy. Alright, everything's back off before you start touching stuff. I done blew up my hand once, I don't know. I wasn't thinking. I thought I had it all. I didn't. If I still have that picture, I'll probably throw that little crab claw right on up there. Just to show you all that. You should always turn your golf cart into tongue whenever you do anything like that. Or you blow your hand up like I did. You know, fun stuff. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the red and black wires that I got. So now we'll get some more heat. You gotta know, back up a little bit, okay? is POV action. POV? Oh, my little turd bucket. Oh, my little turd. So I gotta take all these wires back. Make sure it's in there. Yeah, bub. Yeah, all the wires are in there. Yeah, make sure they're all in there. Okay. So my first POV wasn't the best. I was just tucking all the wires in. So all the wires are now back here. They're coming out here. So we're just going to tie all these together. Gonna tie. Probably get some electrical tape and just run all these together like this. Through these channels, up in here, through there, run it through there. All these wires will be all tightened up. So Sam's glad we don't have some light finally on his golf cart. This one's too big. Okay, we're in. Move all this. So 1, 2, 3. And she's home, baby. Woo, she bright. Awesome. Lightboard. Come. Key. Oh, yeah. Turn my toe switch back on to on mode. Power's on. Key switch on. And watch the wall. We're in business. Something pretty cool I got. So we got it turned on. Turn the key. So here we have the light bar. And there's modes where I can make it into a pulse mode. Hit that, and if you watch the wall, it pulses. Pretty neat. Didn't know that light bar could do all that. Turn that off, go back to modes. I can turn it back to just regular, where it stays on. And then there's another mode for this AUXPower where you can click it and you can just do it where when you're driving you can hold it. Go on and off. Just by clicking it though. And then letting it go. Got a light bar in. I'm happy. Oh yeah.